Hi everyone, Keith here. Like and subscribe. I-DLE, Klaxon. What does that mean? Let's find out. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man, so good. God, it feels so big. It's like we're watching a... Oh man. Oh my gosh, amazing. Oogie's voice. Her beautiful deep voice. Oh man, so beautiful. God, I love the style. Just look at them. Oh man. This is amazing. Here we go. Oh man, that was really good. That's just real life. Oh, the color. Oh my gosh, so cool. Oh man. Shua. Wow. God, the song is amazing. Oh man. My God. This really just feels like a movie. Oh man, they're so cool. That's their staff trying to follow them. Their car was stolen. Cool. Love the logo. Oh man, that was amazing. Oh, we are being spoiled for amazing comebacks. Honestly, every single one is incredible. It feels like the entire level of the whole industry has elevated to, honestly, every single video feels like an entire movie shoot just for the song, just for the members. Yeah, it's really incredible. Top to bottom, the whole thing is perfect. And what I love is that I-DLE is known for, and I suppose especially Soyeon, as being kind of like this like hardcore, you know, everything's like spitting fire and those sorts of concepts. By sort of mastering that, it's given them perspective on how to do other concepts perfectly, because that was the ultimate realization of that kind of pop summer cool concept. So that's extremely impressive, because that really shows an artistic maturity on the part of the band, which contributes a lot to the music and whole direction and the team behind them, because you can have all the artistic taste in the world. If you can't get the production behind you, then you just simply are never going to be able to produce something that is the artistic vision and style realized like this was. So that's extremely impressive. Oh man. Okay, a klaxon is a kind of loud horn formerly used on motor vehicles. Noun. Similar to klaxon, spelled with a C instead of a K. Also a loud electric horn or alarm. So there you go. Probably something in the lyrics. Also probably the word just sounds cool and looks cool. Honestly, never do I question Soyeon and her genius. If she wants to call the song Klaxon, That's a fantastic idea. So let's take a look at the hierarchy. This is going to be very interesting. Okay, so they are future legends. There's no doubt about it. And previously I had them behind aespa, number 1, ITZY, number 2, New Jeans, number 3, and then I had I-DLE there at number 4 previously. But now ITZY's had a bit of a tough time recently. So I'm going to reorder this. aespa, I-DLE, New Jeans, ITZY. It's crazy that ITZY would be that low. That's insane. ITZY's comeback with Leah. That's going to be very telling. This hierarchy might be shaken up by that. If ITZY's really great and they make a huge comeback, they could get ahead of aespa, honestly. But yeah, so there you go. Absolutely fascinating. Man, oh man. Okay, so here's the updated schedule. I'll leave this up here. You guys can take a look at it. Please like and subscribe. It really helps me out a lot, and it means the world to me. And I will see you again very soon. Thank you so much.